Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to sign up for Microsoft Teams. Click here, then click on create one. You can create account for business, but right now I'm choosing this option. You can create account using phone number and also using email. Then click on next. Type password here. Next. Put your first and last name. Next. Select your country from this list. Give your birth information. Next. Now put the verification number here. I'm unchecking this. Next. Click OK. If your PC has a password, then put that here. The sign up is finished. Here is Microsoft Teams home. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.